Hey guys! So today we're going to make some lollipop lamb chops. So I marinated my lollipop lamb chops with rosemary, thyme, garlic, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Okay, so let's get started cooking. Start off with some butter into our pan. Then I'm going to add garlic. I use caramelized onion butter by Kennard's and some paprika. So let's get my first batch into the pan. Adding some onions into the pan to baste them with that butter and garlic sauce. So these have been cooking for about 3 minutes. More, you want to turn them in about 2 to 3 minutes. It depends on how rare you want it. So it's 3 minutes and I'm going to turn them. Look at that pretty stir on them. Pretty. Absolutely pretty. Okay, so this batch is done. I'm going to remove them from the pan so that I can do my next batch. Nice stir on them. So these lollipop lamb chops are so quick and simple and delicious, and the fragrance is out of this world. Rosemary, garlic, thyme. It's beautiful.